Students, in this video we will learn how to construct an Archimedean spiral. In a given problem, longer length is given as 70 mm and smaller length is given as 10 mm and need to construct it for one revolution, means one convolution, 360 degree. Let's see the construction step by step. First, draw horizontal line 70 mm and mark a 10 mm on that line. Label the endpoints of longer length OA and smaller length as OB. Now using compass, set a radius equal to 70 mm, the longer length. O is a center. Draw a circle. Again draw a circle of 10 mm, that is equal to smaller length. Now extend this line. Now divide the circle into 12 equal parts, each part of 30 degree. This point is a reference point. Draw a line which passes from the center point O. That is the pole for Archimedean spiral. This way the circle gets divided into 12 equal parts. Now we need to find how many parts we should divide. For one complete revolution, the angle is 360 degree. If we divide the circle into 12 equal parts, each angle will be 30 degree. That means we need 12 division on the baseline, as 360 degree by 30 degree equal to 12 parts. So take line AB, that is the difference between outer radius and inner radius. 70 minus 10 equal to 60 mm. So now divide this line into 12 equal parts. Each part will be 5 mm. This division will help us to gradually increase the radius while moving along each 30 degree line. Now using compass, O is a center point, O2 is the radius. Draw an arc up to the radial line O1. Similarly, follow this process for all the remaining points. O2 as a radius, make an arc up to the radial lines. Now mark the locus point as P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11 and P12. After plotting all these points, join them smoothly by freehand curve or by using French curve. This curve passing through the point P0, P1, P2 up to P12 is called the Archimedean spiral. Name the curve as Archimedean spiral. This property make it very useful in mechanical applications like cams, scroll type compressor and spring design. So students, this is how we can easily construct an Archimedean spiral step by step. Thank you for watching.